So hi everyone for another video of the Mooney Mustang. I'm here at the front engine. As you can see, the cowling is off. It has been for a while now as I'm doing repairs. And what I'd like to show you is I've been having some starter problems. All right, be careful. Clear prop.
Clear.
That didn't sound good.
So it's the brushes. Pretty good.
Want me to try again or no? Okay.
Yeah, try again.
All right, you clear?
Yeah.
So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. All right, magneto's off. I removed the cover, as you can see here, which slides over this part. And you can see that it's pretty dirty in there. It's full of rust and this and that. You know, my finger got dirty immediately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some rags underneath here, and then I'm going to spray it with electrical cleaner, and we're going to see if that makes a difference. So stand by while I get my electrical cleaner, and we will basically give this a good clean and see if it makes any difference. So the electrical cleaner that I bought, QD electronic cleaner that I picked up from AutoZone, was about $13 a can, so it's not cheap. It has this little spray nozzle. I'm going to try and remove here without breaking. Let's get this cap off. You can see it. Electronic cleaner, 13 bucks from AutoZone. Give it a shake. That might not be necessary. I am going to wear my sunglasses doing this. I don't want to get sprayed in the eyes. I don't want the spray to go all over the place. So why not just replace the starter? Well, because it's not that I'm being cheap. I would replace the starter. There are better ones made now. But I ultimately want to replace this engine with a different version of it, which is called the E1C4. And that E1C4, when I change it, might have a completely different setup. So we're only trying to salvage this for a while. So if I can get this continue to run for another 6 months, that's fine by me. Because ultimately we'll be switching out the engine. Well, it doesn't smell very good. It smells very chemical based, but hey, it is what it is. Try not to breathe it in. Yeah, it's working. Spins it. I can see it spinning inside. All right, let's see what kind of a mess I've made. And you can kind of see there's kind of like this dirty, rusty copper residue. It's probably too much what I've done. All right, let's call it a quits. And then we'll just let it breathe. And then I'll give it a go. This camera might topple over, but that's the best view I can offer you. So let's go in the cockpit here. As you can see, I've been busy with avionics, and I'll tell you guys about that at a different time. All right, yeah, you can see I've been busy with this. So let's turn on the battery and check the voltage down here, 12.3. So we got enough voltage to do a few tests. We're not going to prime or do anything like that. Mixture is off. We just want to crank. Yeah, much better. Okay, so that definitely works better. It's still a very big engine to turn over. The TIO-541 A1A, and this starter feels somewhat underpowered, but I've managed to start it quite a few times. So it turned over. Let it air a little bit more, and then I'll put this cover back on. Oh, must have cut myself. All right.